ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ SSLC ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. So welcome to my dear students. In the previous classes we have seen how to find the common difference between given terms, how to identify first term, okay, and how to calculate the next term from the given AP. Okay, so today's class is going to be very important because in this class we are going to study how to find nth term for a given an AP. Okay, so suppose I'll take some examples. With the examples I'll try to make you understand. Okay, so let me take some examples as 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, are in AP. Okay, are in AP. Now how many terms are there? 4 terms. Okay, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, now to find A5, okay, to find A5 you would add a plus common difference to its previous term, isn't it? This is what the definition of AP, isn't it? But if I want to find 10th term, so with the help of basic definition of AP we can find next term for an given AP. But how to find nth term? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ನೇ ಪದನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Okay, so for that we are going to derive a formula. Okay, with that formula we can find any term in the given AP. Okay, so let's start the class. So I think you already know basics of arithmetic progression. So if you are not knowing, please go to our previous videos. Okay, link is in the description box. Okay, you can refer previous videos to know about this topic. Okay, fine. So first I'll write let A1, okay, A2, A3, A4, okay, so on up to AN, okay, be the terms in an AP, correct? So these are the terms in an AP. Okay, see, any term you can represent in terms of first term and a common difference. How? You see, first term A1 you can write it as A because A1 is a first term, so A. Okay, now A2, how you get A2? By adding a D to its previous term. ಹೌದಾ? ಎರಡನೇ ಪದ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು A1 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? A1 ಅಂದರೆ A ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A3 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ A2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ A2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A. A2 ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. A2 ಅಂದರೆ A ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು A ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, 1D ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1D 2D. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ನೀವು. A1 ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A, A2 ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ, A3 ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎನ್ನೇ ಪದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ A ಪ್ಲಸ್ N ಮೈನಸ್ 1D. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. 1 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಬರಿಬೋದು? 0 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 1. ಹೌದಾ? 3 ಇದೆ, 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 2. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ n ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪದ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆನ್ AP. Okay, so next if they ask you to find nth term in an AP, you can make use of this formula, okay, which is called AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, this formula also relates between parameters nth term. Okay, nth term. Okay, this one first term. Okay, this is number of terms, and this is your common difference. common difference. Okay, so this is a formula which relates between 4 terms. Okay, an, and d. Okay, so in the next set of questions, okay, there he may give any 3 among 4, and we need to find the fourth one. Okay, so in the given set of numbers, if you want to find any term, then you can make use of a an formula. For an AP, to find any term, you can make use of this formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so you can observe, for any term what you need first term and you need a common difference. With the help of first term and common difference, you can find any term in the given AP. Fine. Okay, so we'll see some of the exercise questions and we apply the same formula for solving. Okay, see next one. ಓಕೆ, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ 1.2. ಸಿ, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಕೋಷ್ಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಜಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪದ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಡಿ ಎನ್ನೇ ಎ ಎನ್ ಪದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎ ಎನ್, ಹೌದಾ, 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಈ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, all the 5 bits, they have given 3 terms and they are asking the 4th term. Here 4th term is unknown, and in the second bit here d is unknown, in the third bit a is unknown. Okay, but they have given remaining terms, isn't it? So among 4 terms, they will give any 3 terms. You have to find the 4th term. How to find? Again, you have to make use of a relation, formula that relates these 4 terms. Which is that is to find nth formula. Okay, so as per this one we need to find an term. Okay, first you can rewrite. I'll do first bit. Okay, it is already given. In the given you can write a equal to 7, d equal to 3, okay, n equal to 8 and an equal to question mark. Okay, so if you write given and what to find, it gives you clarity of what to do next, isn't it? So this is given and you need to find an. So what is the relation between all these terms? It is an formula. Okay, so we use an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Now an we need to find. A first term 7, n 8, 8th term we have to find minus 1, and d it is given 3. Okay, so it is going to be 7 plus, okay, first if we have to simplify bracket, 8 minus 1 7. Okay, and bracket means it is into 3. Okay, now here we need to use a BODMAS. So between plus and into we have to give preference to first into. Okay, so don't add 7 plus 7, which is going to be wrong. So you write 7 as it is, plus 7 into 3 21, 7 times 3 21. Now you can add, you will get 28. Okay, so in the given list of numbers, if first term is 7 and common difference is d, then the 8th term is going to be 28. Okay, so you are not need to find all the terms, isn't it? Just by using nth term definition or nth term formula, you can find any term. Okay, similarly I'll take fourth one. See, fourth one, a value is given, common difference is given, and nth term value is also given. We need to find the n, means how many terms are there. Okay, so again I'll write what is given. So a minus 18.9. You should be very careful in rewriting the question in exams. Okay, so suppose if you miss minus, so your entire answer is going to be wrong. Okay, while copying the question, while copying the given, you need to be very careful. Okay, a value I wrote, d value, okay, d value 2.5. okay, then an value 3.6. what you need to find? N. You need to find n. Okay, now again, is there any formula that relates all these terms? Yes, the formula is nth formula. Okay, we use an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Yes, an value, first you substitute 3.6, a value first term minus 18.9 plus n value we need to find right as it is, d value it is 2.5. Okay, now it just become an equation and you need to solve an equation. Okay, a student should know how to solve an equation, isn't it? Now what's the best way to solve this? I'll shift minus 18.9 to left hand side. Okay, so 3.6 as it is, minus when I shift other side of the equal sign, minus becomes a plus 18.9, which is equal to, okay, 9.1, I mean n minus 1 into 2.5. See, don't open the bracket at this stage, okay, because you can shift 2.5 to other side. Okay, so for that don't shift, I mean don't open the bracket. Okay, now add these two, 10's place 6, 10's place 9, 6 plus 9 15. Okay, 5 point carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 3 12, carry 1, so it is 22.5. okay, equals 9.1 2.5. okay, so you know the bracket indicates multiplication. Okay, so after the bracket you have multiplication, then if I shift other side of the equal sign, 2.5 gets divided, isn't it? So 2.5 divides 22.5. so I'll write first n minus 1, which is equal to 22.5 divided by 2.5. Now you can observe, after decimal here 1 digit, and in the denominator also after decimal 1 digit. So if there are equal number of digits after decimal point, you can neglect the decimal point. It is as good as 225 divided by 25, and you can find 225 in the 25 table, which is 25 into 9. Okay, so 25 into 9, so you can write 9, as 25 into 10 is 250, so 25 into 9 is 225. Okay, now later, so I'll shift minus 1 other side, so n equal to 9 plus 1, so you are going to get 10. Okay, so the total number of terms in this AP is 10. Okay, so the same way you can try the remaining questions. Okay, the only thing you have to make use of this an formula, write given terms and simplify the equation. Okay, fine, we'll go for the next set of questions. Yes, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Okay, so here they are given AP, already it is given an AP, no need to check for whether it forms AP or not. So already it is given an AP. Okay, so you just identify the terms, what is given and what you need to find. Okay, so first one, a value, tell me it is 10. Okay, d value I'll find as the difference between any two consecutive terms. Okay, so I'll take a2 minus a1. Okay, so a2 7 minus a1 10. Okay, so one is plus, other is minus. You can take difference with the sign of a bigger number, it is minus 3, common difference minus 3. Now I have to find 30th term. Okay, so 30th term, n equal to 30. Okay, n equal to 30. 30th term means you need to find yes, a30. A30 is your question mark. Okay, fine, we will use the nth term. Okay, so to find an term, okay, an term to find an term. Okay, yes, what is the formula? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, yes, an means a30 we need to find, isn't it? Now what is a value? First term, which is 10, plus n value 30 minus 1, d value we have got minus 3. Okay, see, minus 3 is a integer and here we have multiplication. Suppose if you write just minus 3, it is going to be a minus operation. Minus is not an operation here, it is not an arithmetic operation, it is an integer. So you write this one in bracket so that here multiplication remains same. Getting? Now 10 as it is, plus 1 by 1, first inside bracket we will simplify, 30 minus 1 29, okay, into minus 3. Okay, no need of you can just eliminate into also, you can write put, you can just put my bracket also. Okay, now 10. Now plus into minus is minus 29 into 3, it is 87, isn't it? Now 10 minus 87, it is going to be minus 77. So minus 77, it is option C. It is option C. Okay, fine. Similarly, second bit, second bit, minus 3 first term, minus 1 by 2 second term, third term 2. So E samantra shadi 11ನೇ pada. Okay, 11th term we have to find. So again you write first term minus 3, D you need to find. Okay, I'll find A2 minus A1. A2 minus 1 by 2 minus A1. A1 is minus 3. Correct? Now minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3. Okay, so if one term is in fraction, other term also I'll write in fraction. I'll go with cross multiplication, or even you can go with the taking LCM. Okay, so cross multiplication, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 3 into 2 6 divided by 2 into 1 2, it is going to be 5 divided by 2. Okay, and now I'll write n value, it is 11, and we need to find the an, we need to find the a11. Okay, so we use an formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so a11 equal to a value minus 3 plus, okay, n value 11 minus 1, d value 5 by 2, isn't it? Now minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 10 into 5 by 2. Okay, so 2 times 1 2 times 5 minus 3 plus 5 into 5 25. So minus 3 plus 25, it is going to be 22. 22, option B. Okay, so it's very simple. You need to identify the given terms, what is given and what you need to find, and then you have to relate the given and what to find. The relation is nothing but you have to make use of nth term. Okay, thereby you have to make equation and solve the equation, get the unknown. As simple as that. Okay, next one. Yes, so it is a very important type of question as far as your board exams concerned. Okay, it's very important. You need to find the missing terms. Okay, bit box galana ನೀವು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ. So we already came to know that any term in the AP can be expressed in terms of A and D, isn't it? Ivaga these all are AP because they already told they are AP. Okay, so every term can be expressed in terms of A and D. Then you have to solve them. Solve them means you can add them or subtract them in order to eliminate A. Then you will get D. Once you get D, you can even get A. With the help of A and D, you can find any missing term. That is the idea. Okay, so I'll do some questions. I'll take second bit. Okay, let me take second bit. Okay, now first term, it is not given. Second term, what is A2? It is 13. Okay, next A3 is not given. What about A4? A4 is given 3. Okay, now you can make use of an formula, because when you use an formula, you can express any term in terms of A and D. Okay, so when you use an formula, A2 is nothing but A plus 1D or A plus D, which is equal to 13 as it is. Okay, and here A4 in terms of A and D, when you use an formula, it is A plus 3D, isn't it? A plus 3D equal to 3. Now you observe, each term I am expressing in terms of A and D. Now it is a pair of linear equations in two variables. You can just eliminate any one variable to get the other. Okay, so I'll call this equation 1 and this one as 2. Okay, Now we can manipulate the equations, either you can add or subtract to eliminate. So I'll go with the 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus equation 2 implies. Okay, so first I'll write left hand side as it is. Okay, I mean a plus d. You can subtract row wise or you can write step by step. Okay, a plus d, okay, minus left hand side here a plus 3d is equal to, next I have to subtract on the RHS part also, 13 minus 3. Okay, now here I'll open the bracket first, minus a minus 3d, isn't it, equal to 13 minus 3, it is 10. Now plus a minus a get cancelled. Okay, plus d minus 3d equal to minus 2d equal to d. Now minus 2 is multiplied with a d, I'll shift other side, so d equals 10 divided by 2. This minus I can take to the numerator, so it is going to be minus 5. 2 times 1, 2 times 5, d equal to minus 5. So the common difference here we are getting minus 5. Okay, now once we get d, we also need to find a. So you can use this d value in order to find a value. Okay, so shall I use equation 1? Okay, so equation 1 implies, in equation 1 a value we need to find a as it is, d value just now we got minus 5, which is equal to 13. Okay, a plus into minus 5 equal to 13. A minus 5, I'll shift other side, it is 13 plus 5, so a is going to be 18. First term 18. Yes, once you are able to find first term and common difference, you can find any term for a AP. Okay, so here we need to find first term. Yes, this a itself is first term. Okay, so you can write first term a1 is nothing but a equal to 18. Next we need to find the third term. Okay, third term a3. Okay, I can use the nth term formula, it is a plus, okay, n minus 1 into d. Okay, it is a plus 2d. So a value 18 plus 2 into d value minus 5, so it is 18. Okay, plus into minus 2 into 5, 10, minus 10, so it is going to be 8. Okay, so you can write, therefore the required terms are, okay, including given and missing, you can write first term 18, second term 13, third term we have got 8, and fourth term it is given 3, and this continues. Okay, so this is how you can find the missing term. Okay, so this is how, with the help of expressing each term in terms of a and d, you can find a and you can find d, and then you can find any term. Okay, so no need to panic, because for any given question they will give minimum 2 terms. Okay, so when they give minimum 2 terms, each term you have to express in terms of a and d, except first term. Okay, so once you are able to find a and d value, you can find any term. Okay, that is the idea behind finding the missing terms. Okay, I hope you have understood, and try remaining questions which are based on the same idea. Okay, so in this video this much. Okay, so in the next video we'll do some more examples which are very important for the exam point of view. Okay, and I hope you are understanding every videos from our effort. Okay, so keep supporting us. So your support and likes, subscribes are our strength. Okay, thank you.